empty. I wish I had a sofa.
I can help with that!
To make a sofa, use 4 recycled boxes, 2 for the sides and 2 for the seats. Fill them up with recycled material. Glue in place and cover each box using fabric. Glue the seats in place. Then glue on the sides. And decorate by using cutouts, ribbons, and plastic gems. And that's it!
Wow, the sofa is so cute! I love the gemstones, the hearts, and it is super comfy! Thanks, Miss Merve! And friends, don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from our channel! Bye!